Hi everyone, this is Cooking with Kurt. Today my husband Donald and I are going to show you how to make Pancit Canton. This is a Filipino stir-fried noodle dish with vegetables and pork belly.
This recipe was requested by YouTube user Lysel VMAG. Thank you so much for your request, and we hope you like this video.
What differentiates Pancit Canton from other kinds of pancit is that it uses flour stick noodles similar to Chinese lo mein. And in Filipino culture, it's served at special occasions like birthdays to manifest long life.
Which is what we also do in Chinese culture.
That's right, and I made this for Donald's last birthday.
You did, and it was really so good. It's quick and easy to make, so we suggest prepping all of your ingredients beforehand before you're ready to start cooking. Here we've got our chopped vegetables, chopped pork, garlic and onions, seasoning, chicken stock, and most importantly, the flour stick noodles. When all your ingredients are chopped and prepped, set up a steamer, and with the water in the pot, heat it over medium-high heat. While waiting for the steamer to heat up, prepare an ice bath in a large bowl, as well as a medium-sized sheet pan lined with paper towels. If you don't have a steamer, you can blanch the vegetables in a pot of boiling water for 1 minute instead. When the water in the steamer is boiling, add in all the chopped vegetables, which are 1 medium-sized julienne carrot, or about 1 cup of julienne carrots, 1 cup of snap peas, 1 red bell pepper that's been cut into thin strips, 1 cup of julienne celery, 2 cups of green cabbage that's been shredded, and 1 cup of shiitake or crimini mushrooms that are thinly sliced. Let these vegetables steam for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes of steaming, transfer all the vegetables into the prepared ice bath and let them rest in the ice bath for 2 minutes. Then, with a slotted spoon, transfer the vegetables onto the paper towel lined sheet pan. Set these aside for now.
When the vegetables have been blanched, take a large wok or wide skillet and add in 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or vegetable oil and heat it over medium-high heat. When the oil is hot, add in 4 cloves of minced garlic and 1 medium onion minced. Saute this for about 4 minutes till the onion and garlic are fragrant and lightly browned. Then add in about half to 1 pound of boneless pork belly that's been cut into small, thin cubes. Today we're using about 0.8 pounds. Season with half a teaspoon of kosher salt and half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and continue to saute for about 2 minutes until the pork pieces are lightly browned. Add in 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, and 1 cup of chicken stock. Mix this together and let it come to a boil. Once it starts to boil, continue to let the mixture simmer for another 5 minutes. After it has simmered for 5 minutes, add in 8 ounces of uncooked pancit flour stick noodles and spread them around so the noodles are submerged in the liquid as much as possible. I'm using tongs to invert and toss the noodles as they cook, so all the noodles end up soaking up liquid and begin to soften. If flour stick noodles are not available, you can substitute with spaghetti noodles, which should provide a similar texture. Continue cooking the noodles while tossing for another 3 to 4 minutes until all the noodles are tender. Some brands of noodles might need more liquid, so if needed, add up to 1 cup of extra chicken stock. So if you see that all the liquid has already boiled off, but the noodles are not yet soft, I'd suggest adding extra chicken stock 1/4 cup at a time and see what's necessary over the course of the 4 minutes the noodles are getting cooked. But I usually don't need to add extra chicken stock. After 4 minutes, All the noodles should be tender and the liquid should have been absorbed or boiled off. The pancit should not be soupy. Add in the steamed blanched vegetables from earlier and half a cup of flat leaf parsley that's been chopped. Continue tossing and cooking this for another 1 minute to incorporate the vegetables. Transfer the finished Pancit Canton onto serving plates and squeeze a wedge of calamansi or lime over the dish as a garnish. Ang sarap!
Yum!
I love all the flavors and the crunchy vegetables.
So good. I'm seriously looking forward to eating this again on your birthday.
Thank you all so much for watching. Please let us know in the comment section below if you're planning to make this Pancit Canton. Send us pictures of your dishes on Facebook and Instagram. The links are below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Cooking with Kurt.
And don't forget to click on the bell so you get notified when we post new cooking videos.
Maraming salamat!